This video teaches you how to share a saved document on Google Docs and allow other users to edit the document online. Open the Google Docs website in your internet browser. Click the document you want to edit. Click the blue Share button. This button is in the upper right corner of the document. It will open this document's sharing preferences in a new pop-up. Click the General Access drop-down. Select Anyone with the link. This will allow any user with the sharing link to join the document online and edit it with their account. Click the drop-down next to Anyone with the link. Choose Editor in the role drop-down options. Enter an email address into the Add People, Groups, and Calendar Events field, optional. You can send invites to people by email to access this document and notify they can edit it. If you don't want to send out notifications, uncheck the Notify People box below the email field. Input message if you want. Click the drop-down next to the email field. Make sure Editor is selected here for the invites. Click the blue Send button. This will send an invitation email and a shareable link to your document to the selected contacts. All the invited contacts will be able to edit your document. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.